just a bit. Okay. All right. Hi there. Today we're gonna talk about nodes. I know I just recently talked about nodes and color grading in general. Today, what I want to do is to explain every node type that you can find in color tab in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get to it right now. Okay, so we just do the node types kind of showdown. If you are editing inside DaVinci Resolve, you go to color tab and you are set with the first node. It's a serial node in default with without any edits on it. So you got the input source material, you get your node and output to the final image that is shown right here. So then you can add nodes. We got several different type of nodes, and I will try to make sense out of this list. So most common is the serial node, so you will be using that a lot. So the serial node makes the effect just like the layer. So we have our source material going to our first serial node, and if you change something in here, then your second serial node will see only the effect that you are already applied. So it can't see the original. As you can see right here, this blue cast that I just recently done, it's the starting point for your second serial node, and now you can try to balance that down by warming up the image. Even better, let's reset this node, and you can see that this node is blank, and this node just got the edit that we done to counter the previous node. So this is the basic serial node. They work just like adjustment layers in Photoshop. So you can stack up the edits inside these nodes, and in previous video I just show you that this is looking just like a lens filter. So you project your image through some kinds of filters, and the end result is the sum of these filters. Okay, this is just like see-through filters. Okay, so let's just do another node. You can obviously set the serial before. Okay, so now we will go to the parallel node. Okay, so with parallel nodes, you've got the input change with this node. For example, let's do this blue kind of thing, and this is this output is split to two different nodes, so you can make adjustment. And for example, for this node you can go to warm it up a bit, yes, and to this node you can go to the green kind of, maybe let's go to the highlights, make them blue. And this is the parallel mixer, so you can go you can join these two effects and make this one output from two nodes. If you put more parallel nodes, it will just add to the mixer, so you can make this image look even more funny, let's say. So you can make your adjustment layer, and this is split into three different filters, and then you can focus the outputs right here and make this just one output. Hope that makes some sense. Okay, and now we go to add a serial node after this, and we get the end result out of it. Okay, let's move next. Add node. We can add a layer node, and this is like a layer up on top of this node, and this is layer mixer, and its purpose is more to composing something on the node. So for Luma Keyer or something like this, you can stack up the layers. Okay, so we can mask something out of the layers. It's just this example works just like clipping mask, because you can do this kind of things in layers, right? So you can add the layers and build up. As you can see, this is the output once again, and you can make the key right here for different colors, and make some adjustment right here to change different parts of the image. And the beauty of this is that this is gonna be tracked all the way down for your moving parts of your video, because it's stuck with the color, right? Okay, let's just reset this and this and this to make some kind of normal look. And now maybe let's just delete and delete, and this is the okay, so what just happened now, we just lost our connection right here, but it's very simple to click, drag, and connect. Okay, so this is it. Let's make some nodes right here, and let's make some let's make some changes. So right here it's not let's give me a before. This is our change node, and this is right here. Okay, so from now we will go right here and make an outside node. Okay, so the outside node, it's basically a serial node with opposite alpha channel. As you can see here, we have the alpha channel linked like this. We just qualifier and bang it. So basically, to use the outside node and to make some kind of difference right here, you can see what just happened. And this is the outside node is the best way to make a green screen selection or something like this, because you can just pick the color of your image, for example, or you can just make a window or any kind of selection and hit the outside node, and it will automatically create a serial node with the selection and with inverted alpha channel to mask what you just make a selection of. So let's say I get this okay, we will do this like so, and with here, and come on, here, just like this. You can make the math. If you pay attention to this icon, it's just like the icon from Photoshop for the mask. You can see that this is external key, so we got this changed, this masked, and we can still work on the other nodes to make some changes, right? So we can make the changes on the serial node after we just masked and changed something in this node, because we are working on this output only. We can make the selection to transfer the alpha information from node to node, but we don't need to do this. Okay, so this is it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you loved it, please hit the subscribe button. And if you're into it, hit the notification bell to get to be notified every time I upload the video. Sorry for the last week. I was so jam-packed with heavy load work that I wasn't able to publish this video. I need some more time to finish it, so it will air this week. I will see you in the next one. Bye!